another video, and if we've never met, hello! My name is Rochelle, and I am your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube, so you know what to do. Subscribe, hit that bell so you know when I go live, and give this video a big like, especially if you love hauls. Now, before I get into all the goodness, let me just remind you about Rockstar's giveaway this month in September. Giving away this tote, and we're up to about 32 goodies for this month. Hello Happy is one of them, and all you have to do is simply shop with me this month. Every $100 that I hit, I put in a goodie in one of these bags. So I'm gonna have two giveaways. Make sure if you shop with me, that you get in on that giveaway. And since you're shopping with me, you might as well get in on the mystery hostess. I'm putting that link down below because you have a chance to win all of the hostess rewards. And right now, our September mystery hostess is off to an awesome start. And if you miss out this September, don't worry, I'm gonna have one in October as well. If you want a digital copy of the fall catalog, don't forget to hit me down in the Google Docs below. And if you want more info on the $15 starter kit or any of these kits, which I will be doing an unboxing on, so stay tuned. I'm also going to be putting the fall giveaway link down below and up above. Have until the end of this fall season to go ahead and put as many entries as you want in that as well. Ladies, I value your time, so I'm going to be time stamping all the products in the description or in the comments below, and you simply have to click on the blue numbers and it will take you directly to that product. So we have a ton to get through here, okay? So let's get to it. Sierra stripe pattern. If you guys have yet to see this, this is our round caddy because it's round. Hello. A lot of bright colors. I'm going to go through this as quick as possible because I know you guys want to see them up close and personal. Two handlebars, navy blue straps, navy blue bottom. You have three huge pockets, great for crafting, great for a diaper caddy. So one's in the front and two huge ones on the side. But wait, ladies, on the back, you have these slots. So you have four like pencil slots and two huge ones at the very ends. Round caddy, there you go. What's next, girlfriend? Littles Carry-All Totes. This is our Halloween print. Love this for peekaboo gifts because of the see-through window here. As y'all know, Littles Carry-All Caddy is one of our top performers. We have a little pocket in the back here to stick some more goodness in there. This is great for Halloween and Halloween treats. I know if you're, let me know down below, Team Halloween, Team Santa, Team Turkey. Which is your favorite holiday that's coming up? Since we're going with the Halloween theme, don't forget, we have two of the fold-away caddies, and one is in our unicorn. These are going to be so adorable. My kids going to use this for their trick-or-treating. I got the unicorn for my girl, and I can't leave Jonah out, so the other guy is a matching vampire. I wanted to give you an up-close personal on the vampire print. So there is the vampire, you got Frankenstein, skeletons, and then with the unicorn candy one, it says Happy Halloween. You got tons of candies. You got the candy corn, you got the lollipops. It says Candy Halloween. And if you guys don't know anything about this, let me just remind you. And now you have a tote on the go. So those are the two Halloween prints, or three Halloween prints that I have. This is the zip up pouch. I was excited to see this. Ladies, if you're a crafter, I'm gonna get my teachers these. You could of course personalize this. This is that fold up zipper pouch. It's a zipper up, and inside, well, let's take that out. You have, oh my gosh, a see-through window pocket right here for all your goodies. On one flap, you have 1, 2, 4 slots. You flip it over, and you have a huge pocket. This would be great also for traveling, electronics gear. It could also be like your makeup brushes kind of gear, like you can put your eyeshadows and your lipsticks. Options are endless. Great for everybody, don't you think? I have some key fobs. Ladies, if you haven't seen this, this is the Fab Fob in the crushed berry print. You can totally personalize this. Some of you guys have seen it, some of you guys haven't. That is what it looks like. This is about 2.5 inches long. It does have the slide ring and also a key ring as well. And it swivels. Speaking of that, here is the photo fob. I had to see this in person. So initially, you know, we have those photos by 31 and it's on those iron metal plates, but no, ladies, this is on faux leather. Check out the quality on that. This is probably going to be grandparents' gift. Key ring and then your swivel like clasp ring. So it totally is adjustable to whatever you attach it on. I mean, you can probably attach it to a cute purse, you know, and there you go. Like, the kids are always with you. I love this idea. Great gifting option for you guys. So here's a quarter for reference. As you can see, it's a pretty good size, wouldn't you think? Totally visible. Okay, that is the photo key fob. You guys know you've seen this. This is the inspired Crossbody limited in the buffalo print. You have an adjustable strap. This is solely a crossbody. I have a lot of ladies who actually buy a wristlet with this bag so that they can switch it off and make it a wristlet while they go on the go. So if you're gonna grab one of these, and it is this month special, with every qualifying purchase, you can get this for $25. You'll have your crossbody strap that goes with it, and you might as well add your wristlet that goes with it as well to make it super portable. Tons of space. On this side, you have 4 slots and your ID. On the other side, flip it over, girlfriend, you have 6 slots. Don't forget you have that zipper to put change in, and then you also have a back slot too, for all those ladies who still like to carry their checkbook. There's also a front flap here. Great for putting your phones in, and this is super cute. This is a great size. I will tell you, it does not fit in All About the Benjamins. It is too narrow. Let me just show you. As you can see, All About the Benjamins and this is pretty much the same size, so it won't fit in here. It's too, I mean, it can, but it would probably be too thick, and you won't be able to zip it up. A perfect scent wallet would fit great in here. I'm trying, ladies, just to show you that I'm trying. So, for all you ladies who love your All About the Benjamins and want to know if this will fit, the answer is no. This is pretty much an All About the Benjamins in a crossbody form. Let's go with another special. I just got this. This is the Organizing Shoulder Bag Limited. On the back, you have what I love about these purses is the cell phone holder. You can slip right in there. In the front, you have one huge pocket. Again, an adjustable strap because it is a crossbody. I got this. I love this R. Girls, I love it clean, okay? This is the R monogram. If you love to, you can also write across like your name. It's actually in burgundy. I wanted more of a rich dark red. That's what my eye caught, and that's what I decided to go with. So I wanted to show that to you up close. Inside this, you have your zipper pocket and two flat open pockets. So I want to show that in there too. You have your zipper pocket and there's 2 pockets in there. Hopefully you can see that. But Rochelle, how does this compare to the original Organizing Shoulder Bag? Well, let me show you. Okay, this is our original Organizing Shoulder Bag. As you can see, the length is just about the same. This is made out of faux leather. This is made of our canvas material. On the back, instead of having the flap, like on the limited one for your cell phone, you have a pocket. On the front, which you can totally monogram, just like this. This one just has a simple pocket. This guy has a nice huge pocket, and also a zip pocket. The straps do not remove, so this is great if you want to interchange or exchange different colored straps. These straps are stitched into this. They are both adjustable, and inside they have the same thing, which is the zipper pocket and 2 flat pockets in there as well. So let me show you. I hope you can see that. Main difference is the extra pocket on the back and on the front, the material, and the ability for you to switch out straps. So that is the difference between the limited and the original organizing shoulder bag. Ladies, you wanted to see it. Here is the City Chic bag in the chestnut distress pattern. I am loving this bag. I put the bag in here so I can, so City Chic tote, and I got this in monogrammed with the border letter, and I also got it in the same color as the bag. So I liked how it blended. So this color is, I want to say chestnut. So can you see that? Oh, who's loving it? Okay, on the outside you have our lovely cell phone holder. Straps, pretty decent size. A lot of room, wouldn't you say? On the inside, let's take that out. You have our classic zipper pouch in here, or zipper pocket. I keep calling it pouch, ladies. I'm sorry, I'm excited. You have your zipper pocket and 1 and 2 flat pockets. That's all that's in there. You do have the option to zip it up, and you have the spaces on the side as well, like most of our purses do. Or you can just leave it open and it be as a tote. You guys know I love my all-around tote. I'm hoping this isn't my next favorite, just because the all-around tote sometimes is huge and I tend to put too much things in it. It starts to get heavy and I start to have shoulder pain. One of you ladies wanted to know the difference between the Miles of Styles and the City Chic bag. So, in size difference, the City Chic is bigger. On the back side, you do have the cell phone holders. The front still remains the same. You can totally monogram this as well. Already, I know the difference. This one has a shorter shoulder strap than this. But the main difference with the Miles of Styles is that you can wear it as a crossbody as well. You have your adjustable strap, which you can strap onto the very ends, and you can wear this as a crossbody. You can also interchange your straps to tailor your style. Inside is the same. You have that zipper pocket and then 2 flaps, flat flaps in here. You also have the opportunity to close it if you like, or leave it open as a tote. So, main difference is size. City Chic looks to appear a little bit bigger than the Miles of Styles. Let's see the bottom, as you can see too. They're both made of faux leather. This one does have a longer shoulder strap than the Miles of Styles, but this can be worn as a crossbody. This cannot. That was a request by Allison. So Allison Bag Babe, I hope you found that pretty helpful. In case you haven't seen these, we have now envelopes to case your gifts. And one of these gifts for this month, because we did a whole bunch of DIYs last year, are our photo ornaments. This is our curved border. Look how cute and adorable that is. It does come with this burlap string, so you already have an ornament ready to go. And those make great gifts for the holidays. I'm gonna leave that hanging right there so you guys can check that out. Ooh, maybe my new favorite bag. You guys know we have the canvas bags in black. Check this out. This is our canvas bag in black. The straps are kind of like beige with the black weave pattern. You guys know you can personalize this, and you know your girl personalized it. And guess what I did? It says Bag Babe in one of those Ray Dunn-like fonts. Statement canvas shopper in black with the Cami Ray print. This is a casual slacked message, to be specific. There are a ton of things you can do with these personalized bags. I love them. I think they make great gifts, and I don't know if I should keep it or should give it as a giveaway. I don't know. This is the Adventures backpack. You guys, you know this was a hot item. I finally got mine in. I wanted to show you my personalization of what I went back and forth. Do I want the lollipop stripe or do I want the gumdrops? They were just so colorful. I decided to go with this. This is my Girl Scout troop outing / field trip backpack / theme park backpack / mom backpack. And I wanted to put like hashtag mom life, but it meant more to me. So I did hashtag adventure time. I wanted to pop out. So what I did the hashtag in white, and I put adventure time in that bright neon yellow. Don't know anything about this backpack. Let me just show you. Pocket on the front. You can hold your backpack like this. You got 2 elastic pockets on the side. Great for water bottles. I've already used this. We had coastal cleanup as a Girl Scout troop the other day. Great material. Totally can get it messy and wipeable. One thing that I love. It has these ridges on here to keep it open. This also makes a great diaper bag for all you moms. Inside you have how many pockets? You have 1 pocket on the side, 1 pocket on the other side, and 2 pockets on the back. All elastic, all can fit a water bottle. On the front side, you have a zip-up pocket, which is thermal. And inside, it has these straps. Gosh, I really want to show this to you. Let me get up close. So on the inside, you have these straps right here, and it's meant for you to keep bottles upright or anything upright. And there's 2, 1 for each side, thermal gear. Again, you see those 4 pockets on the inside? Tons of space, tons of room with adjustable straps at the bottom. One thing I did notice wearing this backpack, sometimes when I need to grab something, I will flip it over and unzip it and grab it and hand it over to one of the children. It takes some maneuvering to get it back zipped up because, as you can see, I'm struggling. It needs to be perfectly aligned. So if you don't mind doing that, this bag is great for you. You can put it down, obviously, and then you can zip it up. If you haven't seen, our medium utility totes are back in season. This is the touchdown time. Love my medium utility totes. You guys know that. This is a perfect shopping tote. Be your shopping basket and also at checkout. So touchdown theme. You have the football theme all the way around. You can totally monogram it. Here is on the side. Boom, boom. It has all the colors of the NFL football teams on there. One of my favorites for the fall season. So there you have it, ladies. Stay tuned for my Hostess exclusive unboxing and also my signature kit unboxing. I finally got my hauls in and I can't wait to do these videos. So make sure you subscribe. Here's my latest video. Check out this month's special, and here is my haul playlist.